Hi guys, welcome back. Today is day 6 of my 30-day, one video a day challenge to upload YouTube videos of myself going through this process as a new YouTuber over 40 years old. You'll be in for a treat. Here's my editing. As you can see, that is done. Here's the final product. And so hopefully you'll enjoy it. If you are seeing this, maybe you'll see the difference from day 1 and up until today as well. So I'm on the process of now learning how to edit, getting editing done. And so hopefully you enjoy that as well. But fair warning, you'll see on the video, because I'm practicing how to be on camera. I've been watching YouTube videos and getting advice on YouTube, right? Not a personal coach or anything like that, just watching on YouTube how to present yourself better on camera. So as you know, over the last couple of days, I've had my notes a little stuttery and so forth. So with this video, I did have my notes in front of me, behind the camera, as well as a tip for you guys. But you'll see that I'm just stiff still, right? You can tell I'm reading a script as well, just the way that I speak, just the way that I'm postured and so forth. But hey, it's all in the learning process, right? It's just about getting more confident and producing these videos day by day with the hope that you'll get inspired to see the improvement and how it is, right, to start this journey. So here you go, guys. Without further delay, that's next for you. Give me a comment in the section below and let me know how I did. Any thoughts? If you've been following along with me, let me know how I'm doing. And there you go. Enjoy the video. Hey there, dreamers and friends. Welcome back to day 5 of my 30-day journey. I'm Cliff, and today I'm diving deep into a game changer, which I know you'll like. I'm going to be talking about trusting the process. Here's a question for you. Ever feel like you're running on a treadmill, going nowhere fast? What if I told you the key to success isn't working harder, but it's just trusting the process? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why this could be the missing piece in your success puzzle. As a new YouTuber over 40, I'm right here with you on this journey. This 30-day challenge isn't just about growing my channel. It's about proving that it's never too late to chase your dreams, but to just trust the process. Now let's break down why trusting the process is so crucial, especially for us over 40 people, and how it can transform your path to success. You know how they say life begins at 40? But for some of us, it feels more like our dreams decided to take an extended vacation. Well, it's time to send those dreams a wake-up call. Now let's get real for a moment. If you're over 40 and feeling stuck, you're not alone. But here's the kicker. It's not too late. In fact, you're just getting started, just like me. So what's really holding us back? Let's break down the 6 main roadblocks that might be standing between you and your dreams, and how to overcome them. First up, I have what I call, or like to call, the shiny object syndrome. Raise your hand if you ever jump from one idea to another faster than a cat chasing a laser pointer. Here's the truth. Success isn't about chasing every new trend. It's about picking your path and sticking to it. I remember when I was 32, I had this brilliant idea for a business, then another, and then another. I was like a kid in a candy store, wanting to taste every candy. But you know what happened? Nothing. Because I never gave any single idea enough time to grow. What's the fix? Choose your path wisely, then commit. Play the long game. Give it at least 6 months before you even think about switching gears. Ask yourself, what if Steve Jobs had quit Apple when things got tough? What if I stuck to my last venture and did not give up? Where would I be today? Sometimes the enemy lies within our minds, which brings us to number 2. Let's talk about those pesky limited beliefs. You know, the voice in your head that says, you're too old, it's too late. Well, my personal favorite, you can't teach an old dog new tricks. Newsflash for you. Did you know that the average age of successful startup founders is 45? But that Vera Wang didn't start designing wedding dresses until she was 40. Just 40. Imagine for a moment, what could you achieve if you truly believed your best years are ahead of you? Now, even if we overcome our limiting beliefs, there's another challenge that trips us, many aspiring achievers, which brings us to number 3 of today's topic, the patience paradox. In our world of instant gratification, patience has become a lost art. Because here's the thing, real success, lasting success, takes time. When I started this channel, I had zero subscribers. But I kept going as like today, trusting the process. And now, well, you're here, aren't you? Aren't you? The true success is like fine wine. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort to reach its full potential. You gotta just keep moving forward. But patience alone isn't enough. There's number 4 of the key ingredient in the recipe for success, the power of consistency. You know, consistency is the secret sauce of success. It's not about making giant leaps, but it's all about taking small steps. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't brush them for 8 hours straight, right? Once a month, do you? No, you do it every day, and that's what keeps them healthy. Your dreams need the same daily attention. Now, as we're being consistent, we're bound to face some setbacks. And that brings us to our next point, embracing failure as a teacher. Here's another mind blower for you. What if failure isn't the opposite of success? But what part of it? Every failure is just feedback. It's God or the universe way of saying, nice try. But instead, try this instead. Thomas Edison never gave up after his first failed attempt at the light bulb. If so he did, we'd all be sitting in the dark. Finally, there's one more trap that's all too easy to fall into, especially in our digital age. It's called the comparison trap. In the age of social media, it's easy to fall into the comparison trap. But remember, you're seeing everyone's highlight reels, not their behind the scenes. Your only competition is the person you were. So there you go. But here's the truth. Trust in the process isn't about blind faith. It's about committing to your path, challenging your limiting beliefs, practicing patience, and staying consistent, learning from failure and focusing on your own journey. Now I have a challenge for you. For the next 25 days, remember, I'm only on day 5 of this 30-day challenge. I want you to take one small action towards your dream every single day, no matter how small, and then come back and tell me what changed. Remember, it's not about age, it's about attitude. Your dreams don't have an expiration date. However, you do. Don't let your dreams go unfulfilled. Please, I beg you. So are you ready to trust the process and become the success story you've always dreamed of? Your future self is cheering you on. Let's make them proud. That is it for day 5. Dreamers and friends, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember, trust the process. Your best years are still ahead. See you tomorrow for day 6 of our journey. Have a great day.